What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of the DMG Tech Show. In this episode, I'm going to do a quick little just talk about Google Drive on Linux. Now, this has not been it has been possible, but it hasn't been fully possible in the sense that it's been official Google way of doing it. Normally, we've had to go over to what's called NSYNC, and you have to pay a one-time $15 fee to let it work. But word on the street is, as you can tell by this video, but this image, that Google has been working on an official application for Linux. And as you can see, there's a Google Drive folder, and this is in your typical, your home directory. And this is something we have been waiting for so long. I mean, years. Anybody that's been on Linux for the past few years understands that that's just one of the major gripes. The way we've had to do it, like I was saying, is in sync, or you'd have to use the Chrome browser and then maybe make a shortcut for the drive and do it that way. But there's never been like official support in the sense that we have a nice little folder. Everything we drop in there will get updated into our Google Drive in the way that if you have used Chrome OS or a Chromebook before, there's always that, when you open up your file directory, there's a little folder that shows you into your Google Drive. And if you drag and drop anything into it, it'll automatically back up to your cloud. Now, it's not officially been timetabled out to exactly when we're going to get this. I suspect it's either going to be before or at least by Google I/O. Fingers crossed, let's hope that's going to be the case. I just wanted to kind of talk about it and say, it's around the corner, so keep your ear to the ground. I will put a video up the second it happens to show you how to set it up and get everything taken care of. Anybody that's been dealing with Linux for a while, I'm sure you can figure that out. But if you haven't, or you're new to Linux, or you just want to double check and make sure you set it up right, as always, don't forget to subscribe, and I will make sure to get that video up the second I hear a word for it, because I do have my ear to the ground for this. This is something I've been waiting for a very long time, but hopefully it comes sooner rather than later. But if you are a Mac user, or you have Mac and you have Google Drive installed, this might actually work on Windows too. I haven't double checked on that. You can go ahead and just head over to your Google Drive.app, contents, resources, lib, Python 2.7, resources-images, and you should be able to find some of these images. Webupdate.org was, I believe, the first people to announce it. As you can see, it's kind of growing right here. A few people have already started to share that. I definitely suspect there's going to be more Google Plus shares than there are anything else, as that's where all us Googlers are. But again, if you have any questions about this, or you have any new information about that, you can always leave it in the comments section down below. I will put a link to this article, since it's the original article, and give credit where credit is due, so you can check this out if you want to. But really, it's just a quick little, 3-paragraph read. But again, as always, don't forget to subscribe. Let's hope we get this soon. Let's hope we get this before the end of the second quarter of this year. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.